All right, y'all. So my husband got me a new knife for our anniversary. So I want to unbox it and check it out. Okay. Nice. So my husband has gotten me several knives from this company, and I love them all. He got me this little folding knife. I should do a video where I show all the knives I have from this brand. I just say CRKT. I don't even try to pretend like that's actually a word, but this brand, the knives are very sharp, durable. As long as you take care of it and follow the care instructions, I haven't had any issues. Like it says, I don't pack it up wet or anything like that. Just take care of the knife, it'll take care of you. But I like this brand of knives. They're nice. Compared to other brands, I felt like the blades became dull quickly. Not with this brand. This blade is going to stay pretty sharp for a while. So I love it. Check them out if you haven't already. I also forgot to mention how affordable the knives are. This one was only $45. So if you're looking for an affordable, durable knife brand, check out CRKT.